Hi, I'm Cynthia. Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice for nervous system balance and deep restoration. Yoga Nidra is a state of conscious rest between waking and sleep. Allow my voice to guide you as your body settles and your mind becomes quiet. Lie comfortably on your back with your legs resting apart and your arms relaxed beside you. If you wish, place a cushion beneath your knees or cover yourself with a blanket so that your body feels cozy, warm, and supported. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, comfortable breath in. Release your breath with ease. Feel the surface beneath you supporting the full weight of your body. Allow yourself to become heavier. Your head is supported. Your shoulders are supported. Your back is supported. Your hips and legs are supported. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready to rest. Bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel your breath flowing into your body. Feel your breath flowing out of your body. Each inhalation welcomes calm. Each exhalation carries you more deeply into rest. Your breathing is smooth. Your breathing is steady. Your nervous system is settling into balance as you relax deeper and deeper. Bring to mind a sankalpa, known in yoga as a positive statement that reflects a quality to welcome into your life. Today's sankalpa is, I am peaceful and steady. Allow these words to feel meaningful to you. Repeat this sankalpa silently after me with patience and sincerity. I am peaceful and steady. I am peaceful and steady. I am peaceful and steady. You will now move awareness gently through your body. Remain comfortably still as your awareness travels from one area to the next. Bring your awareness to your right hand, your right thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, your wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Feel your whole right arm resting. Bring your awareness to your left hand, your left thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, the palm of your hand, the back of your hand, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Feel your whole left arm resting. Bring your awareness to the back of your head, to the crown of your head, your forehead, your right ear, your right temple, your right eye. Allow the tiny muscles behind your right eye to relax. Your right cheek. Move your attention to your left ear, your left temple, your left eye. Allow the tiny muscles behind your eye to relax. Your left cheek. Your lips soften. Your jaw relaxes. Feel your whole face becoming soft, smooth, and peaceful. Feel your neck, your right shoulder, your left shoulder, the center of your chest, your upper back, your middle back, your lower back. Feel the entire length of your spine and back relaxed and supported beneath you. Your heart space is peaceful. Bring your awareness to your abdomen. Feel the gentle rise of your abdomen as you breathe in. Feel the gentle release as you breathe out. Your breath moves freely and comfortably. A feeling of calm spreads throughout your body. Bring your awareness to your right hip, your right thigh, knee, lower leg, right ankle, heel, the sole of your right foot, the top of your foot, your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feel your whole right leg resting. Bring your awareness to your left hip, your left thigh, knee, lower leg, left ankle, heel, sole of your left foot, top of your foot, your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feel your whole left leg resting. Feel both legs together. Feel the full length of your torso. Feel both arms together. Feel your back resting against the surface beneath you. Feel your abdomen and chest moving gently with your breath. Experience your entire body as one field of awareness. Quiet, supported, peaceful, whole. Imagine a warm, gentle light glowing at the center of your chest. With each breath, this light expands. It flows across your chest, up through your throat, your face, and the crown of your head, through your neck. The gentle light now glowing through your shoulders and arms, into your abdomen, through your hips and legs and feet. Your entire body is surrounded by this soft and steady light. You are held within warmth. Held within peace. You are held within deep rest. Silently repeat these words. In this moment, I am safe. My body knows how to rest. My nervous system is balanced. We return to the Sankalpa. I am peaceful and steady. Repeat the Sankalpa silently 3 times. I am peaceful and steady. I am peaceful and steady. I am peaceful and steady. Feel the meaning of your words settling deep within every cell in your body. Begin to deepen your awareness of your natural breath. Feel the air flowing in through your nose. Feel the air flowing out through your nose. Become aware of your body resting in the room. Feel the surface beneath you. Listen to the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers and toes. Slowly circle your wrists and ankles. Stretch your arms overhead and lengthen your whole body from your fingers to your toes. Take a full and refreshing breath in. Release your breath gently. When you feel ready, bend your knees and roll onto one side. Rest here for a moment. Feel the peace and steadiness you have created within yourself. Enjoy this sense of calm and balance within you. Slowly bring yourself into a comfortable seated position. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. May you move forward feeling grounded, restored, peaceful, and deeply connected to yourself.